whatever we buy from the market, or we get any kind of fruit or any kind of vegetable, any kind of dish which is made at home, we always offer to the Supreme Lord, our Gurudev, and then only we eat that. You know, for others, it's a simple advice, my genuine advice, and please, you should always offer it to Lord before accepting it, because it contains a lot of negativity. The food which we get from outside contains a lot of negativity. It's always good that you offer it to the Supreme Lord, and with eat it with full devotion, because eating is not a simple process which, like, you can do it just like gulping. Whatever people are doing it as if they are, I mean, they're in a very much hurry, and they're not paying attention to what they are eating at all. The idea is that you should be very much careful and very much attentive. Eat the food in a very meditative manner, as if you are taking prasadam. So it's very important that you offer it to the God and ask the blessings, and then only you should go about like go about eating, and avoid junk food as much as possible.